want to learn about how to make a better pizza with Elmer's glue.
Yeah, exactly. This platform, this sort of, they call it the AI Skills Hub, has some problems. Chap Ed Newton-Rex on the Twitter sphere has done a lot of good digging into this. UK government's AI Skills Hub launched today as little more than thinly veiled propaganda for AI companies. The courses include intros to generative AI by big tech companies that call AI miraculous. A course for creatives marketed as AI friend or foe that's exclusively about how creatives can harness and integrate AI. And a course on AI and IP, which seems designed to trivialize the actual legal issues and talks about US rather than UK law. So, yeah, that's good stuff. Also, you know what's fun about this AI Skills Hub that's basically just like a website? 4 million quid paid to PricewaterhouseCoopers, PwC, to deliver this Skills Hub.
I don't understand. I don't understand AI skills as like a concept. Like I thought the purpose of AI is you don't need any skills to use it. Well, it's your own, if it worked the way it was supposed to, right? You have your own personal philosopher slave, like in ancient Greece, who like does all the stuff for you. And you can just, recline in one of those chairs and be served like grapes, Yeah,
we'll get to that because it's worth saying that the founding partners of this AI Skills Hub are these guys. I'm amazed that Palantir is not listed here, but Google is on here, so they might as well be. Like Accenture, Amazon, Barclays, BT, Google, IBM, Intuit, Microsoft, Sage, Salesforce, SAS. Yeah, okay, so. So yeah, the bodies saying that this is good and creating this AI skills platform are also happen to be the ones that are selling it directly to government. Fascinating. We must feed this machine money. What's also fun is like Ed Newton-Rex later posted, he's been digging into this courses and found out that like a lot of the courses aren't real. It includes courses that are simply links to info pages about PhD programs.
That is extremely surprising to me. That something in AI would just not be real or be half-assed.
Do you think PwC got Claude to build this thing for them?
Probably. Yeah, I would assume the AI skills course would be built by AI because we know AI works really good. So you can trust it to do that.
Some of the AI courses on this skills hub didn't exist at all. They're just dead links to nothing. Which is just
you're supposed to put in a prompt, and then it generates the course for you.
Oh lordy, just spectacular. So, talking of which, AI does create jobs. In this case, Ewan Morrison, someone else who's good on AI, says that slop cleaners are now becoming a big thing, as companies that fired people to replace them with AI are now rehiring a different kind of less skilled worker who are slop cleaners to tidy up the mess of errors and system corruption that large language models have caused within their companies.
We used to have a term for this, which was computer janitor. But now it's become even more like literal.
Slop cleaner. Yeah. It's just, this is spectacular. Yeah. So like, whoa, they're spending a fortune. This is obviously costing companies way more than if they'd simply not done this in the first place.
I enjoy watching everyone shoot themselves in the foot with AI just constantly. It's it would be extremely funny if it wasn't also about to erase the concept of literacy.
It's funny. I was in an AI security call internally within Network Rail at the start of the week, and there wasn't anything particularly controversial or uninteresting in there. And in fairness, nothing particularly like offensive to my AI, like LLM hater kind of mindset. But one of the things that is interesting is that Network Rail as an organization is being pushed very heavily by central government to roll out more AI usage, and is spending about the best part of £1 million a year now on Copilot licenses alone, which is a lot of money given how few people in Network Rail are actually using the technology. So it's government, at the same time as private companies are clearly realizing this is bad, central government in the UK is pushing massive organizations like Network Rail to use this stuff as much as possible. And I wish we could learn from just reading stuff that's happening already. But alas not. And there's also, I'm going to refer back to research that I've already put in previous news episodes in RailNet, but a reminder that Britain is unique in the world in AI adopters because we are losing jobs to AI at a faster rate than anyone else in the world, which is really quite spectacular. We are sacking people. At the same time as that, it's worth pointing out that UK graduate job numbers have dropped to below 10,000 for the first time in like the records of graduate jobs being a thing that you call them. There are 800,000 graduating people a year in the UK. It's over, folks. It's really over. We're done. It's not good.
I don't understand how the economy in your country functions. I'm going to be honest with you.
To be fair, similar to the US in the 98%, or was it 99.8% of your economic activity in 24-25, or was it, 24-25 was AI economy bullshit.
We're about to hit a wall, but it feels like you guys have already hit the wall.
We've hit the wall. We've smashed through the wall. We're hovering over the cliff, and we've just not looked. In fact, we've already looked at our feet. We're Bob Hoskins looking at our feet, and we've seen that we're above thin air, and we're just at the point where gravity's not kicked in yet. That's kind of.
But no one's even gonna try and do like the comedy scrambling back.
No, we're not. No, we're kind of gonna hold up a sign that says "help" and then go downwards. Yeah. But the help will be provided by Capita, and so it'll actually be AI Slop, and it'll say "hello, Purple."
Exactly. Yeah, it's not gonna no one understand it.
Oh my goodness. And of course, let's bring things back to the US, because the other fun thing about getting government organizations, the civil service, to use more AI junk is that the civil service and AI and government is, as with any large organization of human beings, famously competent. And is definitely not going to have, you're not going to have some 62-year-old near retiree just copy paste the entirety of like a SharePoint server into ChatGPT and say, hello, can you write me a report that says this is cyber secure? That's definitely not going to happen. Kind of in the same way that this is exactly what's happened with the Trump's acting cyber chief, who dropped a whole bunch of sensitive files straight into public ChatGPT. Just utterly, it's real beautiful stuff here. It's very nice.